Hello and welcome to the German for Beginners class lesson 22, Seasons and Weather. The seasons in German is die Jahreszeiten. Die Jahreszeiten. The first season we will talk about is between March and May, März, April, Mai. If you haven't learned about the months yet, please go back to my German for Beginners class 1 to lecture 13. The first season is spring. For spring we have two words in German. The first one is der Frühling, and the second one das Frühjahr, das Frühjahr. Here we have the adjective frühlingshaft, which can be translated as spring-like. Die Jahreszeiten, der Frühling, das Frühjahr, frühlingshaft. The next season is summer, which is between June and August, Juni, Juli, August. Here we have the word der Sommer, der Sommer. The adjective here is sommerlich, sommerlich. Let's continue with autumn, which is between September and November. September, October, November. Der Herbst, der Herbst. Here we have the adjective herbstlich, herbstlich. Der Herbst, herbstlich. And the last season, winter, which is between December and February. Dezember, Januar, Februar. Der Winter, der Winter. And here we have the adjective winterlich, winterlich. Der Winter, winterlich. Now let's talk about the weather in German, das Wetter, das Wetter. Phrases 1 consists of es, which can be translated as it, and the verb. Let's have a look. It's raining. In German we would say es regnet, es regnet. Here we have the infinitive form regnen, which can be translated as to rain. Das Wetter, es regnet. There's lightning, es blitzt, es blitzt. Here the infinitive form of lightning is blitzen, blitzen. It's thundering, es donnert, es donnert. The verb here is donnern. Es blitzt, blitzen, es donnert, donnern. It's hailing, es hagelt, es hagelt. The verb here is hageln, hageln. And it's snowing, es schneit, es schneit. The verb here is schneien, schneien. Es hagelt, hageln, es schneit, schneien. Phrases 2 consist of es ist, which can be translated as it is, and an adjective. Let's have a look at the first phrase. It's nice. Es ist schön. Es ist schön. It's sunny. Es ist sonnig. Es ist sonnig. Here we have the adjective schön, which can be translated as nice, and sonnig, which is sunny. It's nice. Es ist schön. It's sunny. Es ist sonnig. It's cloudy. Es ist bewölkt. Es ist bewölkt. And it's windy. Es ist windig. Es ist windig. Es ist bewölkt. Es ist windig. It's hot. Es ist heiß. Es ist heiß. And it's cold. Es ist kalt. Es ist kalt. Es ist heiß. Es ist kalt. It's humid. Es ist schwül. Es ist schwül. And such lousy weather. Es ist Sauwetter. Es ist Sauwetter. Es ist schwül. Es ist Sauwetter. Now we will continue with dative phrases, which consist of mir, which can be translated as me or to me, ist, which is equivalent to is, and an adjective. Let's have a look at the first phrase. I'm cold. In German you would say mir ist kalt. Mir ist kalt. As you can see here, we have the dative case, and if you would translate this sentence word for word into English, then it would be, to me it is cold. The second phrase is a question, are you hot? Ist dir heiß? Ist dir heiß? Mir ist kalt. Ist dir heiß? Let's have a look at question number 1. What's the weather like today? Wie ist das Wetter heute? Wie ist das Wetter heute? Weather can be translated as Wetter and today is equivalent to heute. Question number 2. Is it warm, cold or cool? Ist es heiß? Ist es kalt? Ist es kühl? Warm can be translated as heiß, cold ist kalt and cool ist kühl. Ist es heiß? Ist es kalt? Ist es kühl? The third question is the sun shining? Scheint die Sonne? Scheint die Sonne? Here we have the verb to shine, which can be translated as scheinen. Scheint die Sonne? Let's have a look at summer, der Sommer. In the summer you would need sunscreen or sun cream. In German we would say die Sonnencreme. Die Sonnencreme. And sunglasses, die Sonnenbrille. Die Sonnenbrille. Die Sonnencreme, die Sonnenbrille. Let's continue with rainy season. In German we would say die Regenzeit. Die Regenzeit. In the rainy season you would need an umbrella. In German, der Regenschirm. Der Regenschirm. And a rain jacket, die Regenjacke. Die Regenjacke. Die Regenzeit, der Regenschirm, die Regenjacke. This was lesson 22 with the seasons and weather. I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn about useful words part 2.